Hey, welcome. I'm restarting this channel a little bit for 2026, and I was looking at some videos I'd done over 10 years ago, and I saw one that I really liked that was talking about something very simple, and that was using EFT to tap on the right target. And I think that a lot of times people struggle with that. It's very simple, but it's very important, right? And so today's video, I want to do a very short tapping video on weight loss resistance. And that is a very general statement. It's not specific. It's not targeted. And yet the target is one that so many people struggle with, the weight loss resistant. And I want to do this talking to our subconscious mind. Okay. So we're going to be talking to the part of you that does understand where you're holding yourself back, where you're procrastinating, where you're finding yourself sabotaging, protecting. Okay. This is a really powerful thing to do. And this video will get you started, hopefully. And I want you to put your comments below and questions and also videos you'd like to see me do around this issue. There's so many topics I can do. But let's start with the weight loss resistance as our target today. Okay. And see what comes up for you and like use that as we're tapping, just use your own experiences and feelings. And if you don't feel safe or you're feeling too triggered, that's okay. Just stop the video. And I always recommend that you work with someone experienced if you're dealing with really complex issues and don't feel safe. All right, so let's get started. And again, this assumes that you know the tapping points. You can follow along. And I like to breathe. You'll see me breathe a lot in videos. I highly recommend that you just slow your breath. And this is not an intellectual left brain experience. This is embodied, okay? And you'll get better and better at this. And most of you who know tapping have that experience already where you can feel the release. So I'm going to say some words out loud, and I want you to just see if anything comes up for you and see if you can give it a rating. We call it a SUDS rating, and we'll do 0 to 10. Okay, 10 being wow, I feel really, I can really feel that. I feel really triggered, or I feel really something's up about that. So I'm going to say the words, and you can say them out loud. Even though I don't know where I would be weight loss resistant, I feel resistant to losing weight. And just give yourself a rating. This isn't about desire. So urgency and desire could be a 10 plus. Yes, I feel urgent. I definitely want to take off weight. Yes, I feel so much desire to change. That's fantastic. That's what you have to have. You have to have that 10 there, to be able to shoot the arrow at the right target and put the effort in. Am I even making sense? Now I'm like, I'm talking too much. But okay, so that's not what I'm asking. I'm asking just in your body, do you feel like, I need to protect myself? There's something there and I don't know what it is. So assess that, give it a rating. Okay. And maybe you can't, that's fine. You don't have to. I'm just wondering. A lot of my clients can feel it. Yeah, I do feel like that. Just saying those words. Now we're going to start tapping and we're going to tap for some very general statements and I'll try to move it into some other areas. I don't want this to go long, so I'm going to kind of keep it to 5 minutes here. Okay, so we'll start on the side of the hand. Okay. I don't stare at a camera, by the way. I have to like go into this feeling state, and it's very hard for me to do staring at a camera. So if you see me close my eyes, it's because I'm really trying to um, do a tapping that's going to be deeper. Okay, and it's much easier for me when I'm closing my eyes. So you can close your eyes too if it's more comfortable. We're just going to say on the side of the hand, even though I may have some weight loss resistance, I totally love, accept, and forgive myself. I'm going to say it again, even though I may have some weight loss resistance and I don't know why. That's okay. I choose to honor and accept myself anyway. One more time. Even though there's something resisting taking off this weight right now, I choose to love and accept myself. Okay, top of the head. Any weight loss resistance, any weight loss resistance, any weight loss resistance I may be feeling. I don't know where it's coming from. I feel so much desire to change this. I want the weight off yesterday. I've been working out. I've been trying to eat healthy. Nothing works for me. Maybe I'm sabotaging. Maybe I just don't know what's going on, but I'm resistant. There's a part of me that doesn't want to take it off. Hmm. Any weight loss resistance I'm experiencing, any need for protection for any reason, known or unknown. My body's wise, and so is my subconscious. Any need for safety or protection, any need for comfort, any need to feel safe. Just letting this go. What if I could let it go? Okay, so as you're tapping, think about one thing that you know that you've experienced tremendous stress around. Doesn't have to be, you can keep it top of mind, like something in your day-to-day life right now, maybe a work situation or a person that, but typically when it comes to weight loss resistance that's been going on for a long time, there's a chronic situation involved, right? That we're using coping strategies to protect ourselves from the feelings. This is a pattern I've seen for 20 years with clients, right? And so if you think about something, you can just keep it general in your head and give it a title like this relationship or that, my ex or this loss. That's where the global, weight loss resistance statement, that's where we get targeted. And we can start with this general feeling and then get more targeted. And that's where we release a lot of energy and I call it trapped emotion, but it's the unresolved stress. And we let it go in layers, right? It's not in 5 minutes or one video. Let's see if something came up for you know for sure. And that's where the tapping becomes really powerful. Okay, and we'll stop and just take another deep breath. And I invite you to begin to release the weight loss resistance and the stored stress. And if you need support, I'm offering It's only for a couple weeks and until openings are filled. I'm only opening a couple in my calendar right now through January 23rd. So if you're seeing this video after that, I may open this again, but for now it's through January 23rd for a half off assessment with me, which is my weight loss kickstart session that I do with every program client. And it's a really deep dive. So you can find blocks and your personalized experience, and I can help you to discover what it's going to take to move forward and give you some strategies and steps and direction. So if you're interested in that, I really look forward to talking to you, and the link will be in the description. And then also leave your comments about any videos you'd like me to do, anything specific, or if this resonated. And if you'd like me to do a longer video on a different topic, let me know. I'm watching the time because I tend to go really long on these videos. So, but I wanted to keep it short and sweet for today. For 2026, I wanted to get something out there. Weight loss resistance is the key. And then there's all the different pieces within that for us as individuals when we are stuck. So if you're stuck, no shame or blame. Don't blame yourself. Don't shame yourself. Your body's really wise. Your subconscious is really, really wise and serving us. It serves us when we're stuck, right? There's some kind of protection that we want to work with, and we want to really honor it because it's incredibly important to our personal growth and, uh, healing, yes, but it's like this incredible growth spurt we can have when we do that work. So I hope this helps, and I look forward to doing more videos and talking with you soon if this applies to, or if this is resonating with you, meant to say. So thank you, and bye for now. Big hug.